2025 Prelim SCGS Paper 2, Question 1. John was fixing a puzzle. The number of pieces he had fixed to the number of pieces he had not fixed was 1:3. Now let's focus on 1:3. Total is 4U. He completed 1U. Okay, from here, we can see that it's 25% completed, right? 1 out of 4. After fixing another 165 pieces, he had fixed 80% of the puzzle. So from 35, it increased to 80%. So let's take 80% minus 25. That will give us 55%. Okay, and 55% of the puzzle is equals to how many pieces? 165, right? So 1% of puzzle, it will be 165 divided by 55. That's 3. Okay, that's by 100% of puzzle. Okay, because the question wants us to look for how many pieces of puzzle were there. So 100%, which is 100 times 3, that will give us 300 pieces. Okay, this is our answer, 300 pieces.